Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back. It's been a while. I'm really sorry. I was busy with some personal works, so I didn't get chance to make some videos for you guys. So I'm back with another interesting video. So today I have ordered a new keychain for my key or remote. So keychain have a Volkswagen logo, and it's a very budget-friendly keychain as well. So let's unbox it and let's install. I'll give you all the information. Watch the video till end, guys. Okay, so this is the parcel which I have received. So they've wrapped in a bubble cover, so it will be safe. And this is the keychain. So we'll keep this aside. Yep, you can see the brand called something Green World key cover. So yep, let's unbox it. Okay. So if you unbox, you will get one more cover. Inside that you will get the keychain and leather plus a small screwdriver. So I'll show you how to install it. Before that, let's open it and let's keep. Yep, this is the keychain, guys. The quality is really amazing, and it's a metal, and this is the beach leather, like beach color leather. You will get one more leather which is black, and you will get a screwdriver as well. So yep, this is the small pack which you receive. So this is my key, and you can see I have installed some like boring keychain here. The case is amazing, but the keychain is really boring. That's why I ordered this with the Volkswagen logo. So let's remove this and let's install this. So guys, I have removed this, you can see, and now we are going to install this. This is how it's going to look. So what I'm doing is I'm going to install this black leather on this because I don't think so it will match. Black will suit, I think. Yeah. Okay, let me see. So guys, if you want to install this, you have to remove this. For that, you will get two screws here. You can just simply open that exactly like this. Okay, so this is a screw. I mean, it's really big, little. Okay, let's remove one more. Okay. Yep, we got this as well. Now you can just you push like this, you will get this leather. Okay guys, now what you have to do is take your key and okay, torso. Okay guys, so like this, you can see. And now this part will go inside this. Yep, exactly like this. Okay, so make sure the logo looks like this. And now just add the screws. Okay, so one is done. Oh, no. Okay guys, so it's done. That's how the keychain looks. And if you want this type of leather, you can add that, or else if you want black, you can go with the black. Okay, so guys, if you talk about the quality of the keychain, this metal is really good. The amazing quality is there. The quality is really amazing, and it's matching with the keychain as well, like key case as well and key as well. So yep, compared to the old one, and I think it's really good compared to the old one. So yep, this is the quick unboxing and review of my new keychain. comment and let me know how it looks. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the cost pricing. So this keychain costed me rupees 300 rupees somewhere, including some delivery charges and all. So the price may decrease or increase, it's depend on the market. So I'll add the link in the description so you can buy. So this is the budget friendly and premium keychain. And if you are looking some different kind of keychain like Volkswagen different kind of keychain, there is one more keychain which is somewhere around 700 to 800 rupees, as you can see on the picture. And if you want a genuine keychain which is built from Volkswagen or OEM type of keychain, that is also available, but it's it's very costly. It will cost you around 8 to 10,000 rupees. So I don't think so we should spend that much money on a small keychain. So that's up to you. If you want a OEM keychain, that you can purchase that as well. I'll add the link in the description so you can buy from there. So yep, I hope you liked the video. If you want to purchase this key case, this premium key case, the video is available on the screen. You can click and watch it. There you will get the purchase link. So yep, I hope you liked the video. Some amazing contents are on the way, guys. I'll try my best to keep you guys updated. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.